Today, I'm going to show you the easiest way to move games from your C drive to your D drive using EaseUS Partition Master. This method moves the game files automatically, updates all system links, and keeps your saves and shortcuts working, all without reinstalling anything. Before we start, close the game and any launcher or background process related to it. Save and exit the game. Open Task Manager. Press Ctrl+Shift+Escape. End anything that looks like the game or its services. This makes sure the transfer works smoothly. Now go ahead and download the EaseUS Partition Master. I have placed a direct link in the comment section. On the download page, you will see two buttons: trial version and full version. The full version lets you transfer unlimited apps in games without restrictions, and it saves you from repeating the process again later. But for this demonstration, I'll click on the trial version so you can follow along. Once the download finishes, open the installer directly from your web browser. Follow the simple installation process, and the software will launch. Inside the EaseUS Partition Master, look at the left panel and click on the built-in toolkit. This is where all the advanced features are located. Under the Disk Utilities category, select Data Migration. A window will pop up showing your system drive, usually the C drive, plus all the apps and games currently installed on it. Scroll through the list and simply select the game or games you want to move. In my case, I'll pick Need for Speed Most Wanted. After selecting your game, click Next. Now you'll be asked to choose your target partition. Select your D drive or whichever drive you want the game moved to and confirm the destination. And finally click Start. EaseUS Partition Master will now migrate the game files, update all links, adjust system paths, and ensure everything launches correctly from the new location. Just let it finish. Don't interrupt the process. Once it's done, simply launch the game from the Start menu or the folder on your D drive, and everything should work exactly the same, just with more space available on your C drive. And that's it. Your game is now running perfectly from the D drive. If you want more powerful Windows tutorials like this, hit the like button and tell me which game you moved in the comment section.